I invite Dr. Fawzia Rishi to come on the stage and give us a little bit introduction about this program and how it happened. Thank you, Dr. Fawzia Rishi.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm a Dal graduate of 1978, and I would like to, can you hear me?
Yes.
I would like to talk about an exciting new project which is going to happen in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. And Dr. Azim Qureshi, President Dogana had approached me last year about helping Dawites in getting clinical rotations either in my hospital, which is Waynesboro Hospital, Pennsylvania, or in my practice. He informed me that the Dow students were having a hard time in getting clinical clerkships in American hospitals. And he told me that as part of getting a residency in the United States, especially with the, for USMLE, it was now a requirement. They really needed to get some training in an American hospital, and it was vital for them to get a clinical clerkship. As I had been part of the medical staff at Waynesboro Hospital, as well as on the medical exec at Waynesboro Hospital for many years, and I knew that the hospital was looking for medical students to rotate through the hospital in the various specialities. I thought it was a good time to approach the hospital. So I went to the medical exec at the hospital and I approached them hoping that they would help me in getting our students get rotations at the hospital. And to my surprise, they were very favorable, and they said they would be interested in getting our students at the hospital. There were many hitches initially in getting the different things that we would need to have the students at the Waynesboro Hospital, including their lodging, arranging for their food, as well as for their malpractice. And then I had the opportunity of getting good responses from the clinical, from the president of the clinical affairs at the hospital, as well as the other staff members at the hospital, and finally all the hitches were gradually solved. And now we do have a program at the Waynesboro Hospital in which two medical students, either of the 4th year or final year from Dow Medical College, will be able to rotate at the Waynesboro Hospital. They will have free lodging at one of the houses which is owned by the hospital. In addition, they will get 2 free meal tickets at the hospital cafeteria. In addition, their malpractice will be paid by the hospital medical staff. So that way they will be able to have hands-on experience in the hospital. They will have a curriculum, a fixed curriculum which will be supervised by the hospital. There's a Dr. Bruce Foster, who's in charge of the emergency services at the hospital, and he will be supervising these doctors. They will be able to rotate through the emergency services, through the internal medicine, as well as pediatrics. They can also go to other specialties if they so desire, and if Dr. Foster is favorable to that rotation. This clerkship that they do has been approved by Dow Medical College as an elective towards their medical studies. So there will be 2 students coming, and they will spend a 2-month rotation. I've also talked to the doctors who are in our neighboring town, Hagerstown, as well as in Waynesboro, who are from Dow Medical College, and they are also willing to help these students when they are in Waynesboro. So when they want to go to the masjid, or they want to go shopping, the local doctors will be willing to help them. This is a pilot program, and initially there may be some hitches, but I hope everything will be finally solved out. And to the students who are coming to Waynesboro, I just say to them that when we come, Pakistan ka naam roshan rakho, Dow Medical College ka naam roshan rakho.